Jacksonville, Florida, on the Isaiah Hart Bridge. This is what Jacksonville looks like in December. No snow, no ice, no salt on the ground. Bridges here in Jacksonville, Florida, that divide the north from the south, from the east side to the west side. There's about 4 or 5 bridges, or 6 bridges in Jacksonville, Florida. And if you look at it, it's still segregated because the bridges are the ones that divide the east and the west. Without these bridges here in Jacksonville, Florida, no one will be able to get to work. They'll be like in the Bronx, like New York, Staten Island, Coney Island, all that stuff.